Think about designing a large family kitchen island with an interactive tabletop that keeps kids safely engaged while parents cook. Start by planning surface zones so the island supports multiple activities at once. Designate a durable, wipeable central area for crafts, an inset removable game board for board games, a built-in magnetic tile play area for loose parts, and a removable tablet recess with a protective cover for supervised digital play. Use materials rated for food prep near cooking areas, such as quartz or high-pressure laminate for walk and spill resistance, and seal any wooden accessory inserts with a food-safe finish so crumbs and liquids are easy to clean. For the removable game board, choose a recessed frame with magnetic latches or flush lift handles so swapping boards is quick and safe for small hands. When adding a tablet recess, keep ventilation and cord management in mind, and use a thick gasketed cover that allows touch-through or an easy lift so screens stay protected from spills without trapping heat. Include under-counter storage with labeled pull-out bins for games and art supplies to keep the countertop clear and teach kids cleanup habits. Kid height openings and soft close drawers help reduce accidents. Finally, plan for rounded edges and integrated child-safe locks where needed and test sightlines from primary cook zones so supervision is natural without interrupting workflow. Common issues are surface damage from crafts, cluttered play areas, and electronic device accidents. Prevent surface damage by using peelable protective films or a replaceable craft mat over the wipeable zone, and by choosing resilient countertop materials that can be refinished in place. Avoid clutter by designing dedicated storage cubbies and a daily reset routine that takes under 2 minutes so the island is ready for the next meal prep. Protect electronics by placing the tablet recess slightly recessed behind a lip, using a gasketed protective cover, and running a dedicated low-voltage charging point with built-in short-circuit protection to keep cords out of reach. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like interactive family islands and provides a place where we share project ideas and construction details that help decision-making. We also host a discussion community so we can ask questions, swap installation tips, and help contractors find work that matches their skills.